Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. Trust me guys, making this video was not at all in my schedule. It is my weekly off. I was out with my friends and then I suddenly realized amidst all these videos which I have been recently uploading on the important transit movements, I somehow forgot to talk about the most important planet which turned retrograde on 30th of January, and on the 20th of this month, in next 3 days, it is going to be turning direct again. So I'm talking about the planet Mercury, because guys, you have to understand this thing that currently in the transit, planets are in a very strengthened state. Like for example, Saturn is in its best state, capable of giving you good results at your career front. Rahu is also in a strengthened state, and the moment Mars is going to enter the Taurus sign and get conjunct with Rahu, it is actually going to give more thrust and more power to fulfill its materialistic desires in your life. But the only thing is that even if some good opportunity is coming to you, in order to identify that opportunity, acknowledge that opportunity, and to have this discriminatory intelligence to work on the right set of opportunities, you need to have the support of Mercury as well. And even if you have to understand the transit of Mercury right now in the sky, so we know that from 4th of February till 10th of March, Mercury is in the sign of its friend Saturn in the Capricorn sign, and from 11th of March till the end of the March, Mercury is going to move to its another good placement, which is going to be in the Aquarius sign. So I mean to say guys, I'm not going to talk about the results for all the 12 ascendants because my friends are already waiting for me. So the only thing which I wanted to tell you over here is that because whenever Mercury turned retrograde, people only look at it from the perspective that communications can go haywire, there could be some misunderstanding between the friends, or people's account gets hacked and all of that. But most importantly, Mercury also represents your nervous system. Trust me, being a psychic, whenever there is a time of the new moon, full moon, and at the same time, if Mercury is retrograde in transit or is in a volatile state in someone's chart, we receive maximum of the consultation, maximum of the queries during that time only. So I mean to say, planetary transit movements are actually improving now, and my best wish is that you are going to make best use out of this transit change of Mercury, because Mercury is not only a good planet or important planet for people in stock market, business, communication industry, someone like me who's in content creation, but at the same time, how you are able to process information and work and live with the right approach in life. So you need to have the support of Mercury in your life. So this is something friends which I wanted to say as a part of the transit details of Mercury. For further more updates and notifications on the science of astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you.